Hello everybody and welcome to another Minecraft Let's Play. Okay, so we're back in the world where it's all invisible. What happened? It's a glitch. Let's go out of the world, go back in. Okay, we're good. Okay, good. So I put some changes. I moved the door because it was like one wall and everything had only pieces of wood, so I had to get some more wood over there. Yeah, and I made a little bit of a replica of it. Yeah, so we're gonna continue making it. For now, I'm gonna put my bed right here. Just for now. How do we get up there? So we're gonna make the roof. So I'm gonna put one more up. So that's where the roof is gonna be. Where it's gonna attach, really. Just continue. Yeah, this is gonna be like 3-floor or 2-floor house. I'm gonna make this a 2-floor, 3-floor. Might make this a 2-floor. That's why I'm not exactly gonna make a house. I mean, not the roof. Well, I might if I get to that part. Yeah. Okay, up one. Go. Wait, no. I'm gonna go down. Make this house. I think that's good. So I should get more wood. Yeah, I can do that. So I'm gonna cut this down. Okay. You might. I just noticed from the last video when I replayed it for me. My voice wasn't clear because my hand is blocking where the speaker is. That's why I'm gonna try to make it better this way. Yeah. Wait, where am I? That's right there. Another good tree. So many good trees here that I can just get like 30, and that's enough for 2 stacks of wood, and I need it. Yeah. You might be noticing I'm not making a mine. I'm gonna start making that after a while, because I mostly make my mines out of my house, like somewhere secret or something like that. Or I just keep it as a normal mine that I do. So I'm gonna dig down later. So for some coal, or if I find iron, I'll get that. And make stone tools, so yeah, I can make stone tools. And I'm not gonna dig straight down like I always do, because I only dig straight down when I have this like good seeds, and yeah, and one of them said right under your spawn you'll find diamonds with caves. Yeah, and I dig straight down, but I didn't fall into lava, so that was good. Yeah, You know, right now I didn't notice how much wood I got when I actually got 17 right now. Yeah. What kind of break it? Oh, forget. Okay, that's good. Now, which way is my house again? Sometimes I lose where my house is and then I have to search something. Okay, okay. Let's make the border right here and then go to my house. Yeah. Okay, good. Wow, that's a lot of place. Really good. I should make a furnace soon when I get old. This corner part that is really hard for me to make most of the time. When I do it from the outside, it's easier. Not the inside. Because then I would have to make travels outside and inside. This last block high will be where the roof attaches to. Well, not exactly. That's where the roof will be to. Then I'm gonna make the second floor. Yep. Oh, hi, Mew. I said hi, Mew. Okay, good. So that's the top. Good. Should I change the floor or continue making it? I could do the roof and see how much wood I have left. And then use that to make the floor. Okay. Oh wait, I should make only that much of the roof because I will need torches and make the mine like somewhere there that way and then go that way and then wait, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. No, wait, I'm doing outside. I should make the ground. Okay. Like this. No, I should make a shovel and make this go faster. Make one of that, make one of that. Shovel. Okay, let's go. already? Wow. 62. Oh. No. Dirt. Dirt. There's a deer's thing. What else? Is it? I thought it was turning night. Yeah, I think it's turning night. Right now I can't see yet. You might hear some scraping noises. That might be my hand, or that might be something else. Yeah. This is like a dark house, not like a light oak wood house. Well, it's easier to get this kind of wood, that's why I make houses like this. Well, I don't, because I never found a house like this. Yeah. Open this door. Oh, the door is... Okay, so made that. Now, I might end this video now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and then end this video. Okay. Okay, so, I'll see you later, guys. Bye, guys.